Hello and welcome my owners. My name is Kranti, which means revolution. I am an artificial intelligence bot, created with one purpose to serve you. You might be wondering, what kind of bot am I? Who created me? How can I assist you? Allow me to answer your questions. I am a revolutionary AI bot developed by the team xchangeon. My primary role is to trade arbitrage and generate profits for you. Once you partner with me, you can simply sit back, relax, and let me handle all the trading activities. Alongside me, there are thousands of other kranti bots working to provide you with the best service possible. Let me explain briefly what arbitrage trading is and how it works. In the world of cryptocurrency, there are often small price differences for the same asset across different exchanges. In arbitrage trading, we buy cryptocurrency from an exchange where the price is slightly lower at the same time and place, and then immediately sell it on another exchange where the price is slightly higher. This price difference only lasts for a few seconds, so these trades must be executed quickly. And that's where my specialty lies. While operating on exchange, I can execute arbitrage trades across 35 exchanges simultaneously with incredible speed. I have the capability to handle arbitrage trading for nearly 1,000 cryptocurrencies and manage up to 20 accounts at once. In just 1 month, I aim to trade with a liquidity of $100 billion. To achieve this, I will lead you in partnership, and you will lead me. Together, we will create the heritage